I hope you're enjoying checking all this stuff out. If you are, let me know, and please let me know if there's anything you want to see. This will be one of many videos we put out about the 2025 Kissimmee Mecum auction. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, here's some of my favorite cars, which are the Chevelles. So we have a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 V8, 4-speed, frame-off restoration, black with white stripes. Beautiful car. Look at this thing. From the Apex collection. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that thing. It looks like it just came off the showroom. And then next to it is another Chevelle SS 1970, red with black stripes. This too looks like it just came off the showroom with the cowl induction, the correct wheels, 454 V8 4-speed, protective plate, frame off restoration. These two cars look like they just came out of the showroom. But then next to it we have a 67 Chevy Chevelle 396 SS 4-speed. This also had a body off restoration. So some of my favorite Chevelles, the 1967 and the 1970, and for the right price they could be yours here at Mecum. We're right over here in Kissimmee, Florida. Just check this out. I like the lines of the 67 and I love the 70s. The 69 to 72 is fine. 70 is what I had in high school. But I also love the 67s. So next to it we have a GTO Judge, a 69 Pontiac GTO Judge convertible, one of only 3 4-speed 69 Judge convertibles known to exist in black. This is only one of 3. That's it. It's got the 69 to 70, difference being the headlight covers right there. So the headlight covers are the difference. Hidden headlights, 69. Not hidden headlights, 70. One of only 79 Ram Air 3 Judge convertibles in 69. One of only 3 in the triple black. Only 3 triple black Judges in that year. Incredible. And a 1970 Pontiac GTO Judge convertible, one of 3 4-speed 1970 Judge convertibles in Starlight Black known to exist. Very rare, factory air. I love the colorful stickers or paint. I don't know if that's stickers or paint. I'm not going to touch to find out, but it would be the same if it was orange. It's the same striping. Big giant wing in the back. The interior is just super looking comfortable. There you go. Absolutely awesome GTO Judges. One of 3. Each one of them is one of 3. Hey guys, how you doing? We're gonna look at these Pontiacs and GTOs. We've got some first and second generation Firebirds and then some GTOs we're going to look at right here at Mecum Auctions in Kissimmee, Florida. So let's take a look at these. So we've got a 68 Pontiac Firebird 400 red. It's a ragtop flavor. It's got a nice brown ragtop, brown leather. Let's see, the inside, it looks black. Yep, the inside's black with wood grain. So Oh no, it's black. Okay, it just looks brown. And then next to it, we've got a hardtop. Actually, my Aunt Catherine, Stephen Kolscher, my cousin, you can attest to this. Your mom had this car, I believe, when we were kids. This color, I think. So it's a pea soup green, or at least that's what I call it. Black interior. 1968 Pontiac Firebird with a 400 and a tack on the hood. So, brings back a lot of memories. All right, we've got another Firebird here. Another hardtop. This is another 68 Pontiac Firebird. 400 cubic inch ram air. Tack on the hood. Black interior. Very, very nice car. This is the kind of stuff you're gonna find when you're here. And this ain't another one now. This one, somebody stole. All right, the 68 Pontiac, guys. I don't know who's playing jokes on us here, but somebody needs to put the steering wheel back where they found it over here. I don't know why it's over there. This isn't backwards. Somebody needs to take the steering wheel from over there and put it right back here, and take the tack from that side and put it back over here. All right? Fun is fun, but we're at the auction now, so you got to do that. Just saying. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.